What's up, everybody? This is Kev here from Geeking is Fun. So today in this video of part of the Cisco networking series, I'll be doing a completely different video this time. So the content of this video today is going to be on wireless networking. So let's start by putting up a title, wireless networking. All right. So I'll be using a few different kinds of devices. So first things first, we're going to have a router as usual. Then we're going to have a switch. Okay, a switch, and we're going to have generic computer as usual. And what's different here is, of course, we need to have an access point. All right, wireless device, and let's pick this one. All right, and the end devices for this site will be the wireless devices. That means they're going to have wireless capability. So this PC, I'll be connecting to this network through the cable, but for this site, let's choose, for example, a laptop. All right, a laptop. A laptop is presumed to have a wireless capability. All right, nowadays all laptops have wireless networking ability, and maybe just for fun, we're gonna add a tablet computer, wireless tablet. All right, this is interesting. Okay, so all right, so let's first connect connect this router to this switch. So you can see, without configuring anything, you can see like a wireless wave over here. Probably it's because this string is trying to access the access point, but of course nothing works because no configuration at this point. Okay, so I've already connected the router to the switch. So let's do a small labeling. All right, let's say we're going to name these as 192.168.2.1. Okay, let's say this is going to be this port address. So there's only one network here. So as usual, I'm going to go to config, go to first this one, and label it 192.168.2.1. Okay, so all right, okay, this is done. This computer will be connected. All right, so I need to configure this PC as well. So this is a PC connected through cable. So let's give this 192.168.2.7, for example, and the default gateway is the router's IP address. Let's get a 2.1. Okay, so at this point you will be able to contact the router. All right, let's try again. Well, because this thing is not yet up, we have to wait for some time. In the meantime, all right, it has changed from yellow to green, so we will be able to send a message from here to this router. Successful. All right, that's done. So for this PC, all right, by default, if you choose a PC from here, it will not have a wireless capability. So we need to have a wireless interface to this PC. So how to do that in Packet Tracer is super easy. What I have to do is, why do I say super easy? Because compared to Huawei's ENSP, in Packet Tracer it is done in a much simpler way. So of course I have to double click, all right, and then I have to turn off the PC. All right, I have to press this to turn off the PC, and by default you can see a normal network interface. The LAN interface is here. I have to remove it. All right, okay, I have to already remove it, and there are so many modules here. You can click each of these to have a look at what kind of things they provide. Right, for example, this first one is of course a 2.4 gigahertz wireless interface, so we're going to use these, for example. Okay, once we put in, we have to turn it on. The moment we turn it on, this PC is going to have wireless capability. You see, it's up. Okay, so of course we need to do configuration. So as usual, just go to desktop, IP configuration, put up the change to static, put up the IP address, 2.17, for example, and 192.168.2.1. All right, and just now I forgot to connect the access point to the switch. Right, so the moment if this change from yellow to orange to green, we will be able to come from this PC. We will be able to contact all these three different devices. All right. Okay. And for the laptop, you don't need to add any wireless interface because wireless is already built in. So I'll just go to IP configuration. I'll put up the IP address 192.168.2.19 and 192.168.2.1. Okay, and before that, all right, these two devices have already been configured. All right, but for your kind information, they need to access the access point. Okay, so if you're talking about wireless network, all right, obviously you need to have some form of protection, all right, by using passwords and all that. So I'm going to set up at this access point as usual. So I'll go here and I will go to port 0. All right, go to port 1. Port 1 is for the wireless. Okay, so I will turn on the security. All right, there are a few types. That's for simplicity. I'll use WEP, and WEP uses 10 digits. So 1 2 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Okay, and I'll change the SSID to let's say geeking is fun. Geeking is fun, for example. All right, so it should start to broadcast the SSI. You should start to broadcast. All right, so these devices should be able to locate the 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 what can I say, the signal. Okay, the signal. So I'll go here. All right, I'll go here and I will go to software. Sorry, wireless, PC wireless. Okay, you can see here PC wireless, and you can go to connect and you can try to refresh. By right, the network name should be here. Alright, so it's here. Geeking is fun. This is very cool. Okay, I'll click connect and put up the password 12345678890. Okay, when I choose connect, what happens is connected. Alright, so the moment it's connected, what you can do is that you can try to ping this router, for example. Alright, just for fun, we will try to ping. Okay, instead of ping, I'll try to send a message instead. Okay, sorry, it's failed, but let me try again. Alright, something is wrong. Let me see what is the problem. Did I just set up here? Port 0, gigging is fine, everything is okay. Let me see. Oops, oops. We need to put up the thing, put the information again. 2.7.20 is for fun. Okay, and 192.168.2.1. The moment this is entered, obviously you can ping, all right, or you can send a message from this PC to this router. Successful, done. Okay, now let's do it. Let's do the same thing for the laptop. All right, we already put up the information. All right, the next thing we have to do is of course go to the wireless interface. Oh, oops, this is very surprising. All right, a laptop should have a wireless built in. All right, how do we turn it off? Oh, okay, this is quite funny because this laptop has the power button on the side. Okay, so I'll switch it off. As usual, I'll remove the network interface, put it here. Okay, and I will add the wireless module, turn the laptop on, turn it on, go to desktop, go to PC interface, choose connect, press refresh, and wait for the SSID. Okay, it's here. I click connect, put the password 12345678890. I choose connect 12345678890. Okay, so I hope the connection is established. If it's established, I should be able to send a message across. Let me check if there's anything wrong over here. IP configuration. Oh, the moment I add the wireless interface, the information goes missing. Okay, so I have to do the configuration again. 2.168.2.17. Okay, 192.168.2.1. Okay, so obviously it can send a message now. Successful. I can send it over here, no problem. Okay, and in fact I can do the other way around. From here I try to connect here. It's also possible. Okay, so the last thing of course is this tablet device. This device is presumed to have a wireless and it shows here wireless, so I shouldn't have any problem. All I have to do is go to the IP configuration, give it some IP, give 128.168.2.25 and 192.168.2.1 again. And for the wireless again, how do I put in the wireless detail for this device? Config wireless, it's over here. Okay, so all right, I call it WEP. Hold on a second, this is a little complicated. Zero key shouldn't be empty. No. How do I know? Okay, hold on a second. It's quite surprising because it doesn't have one. Okay, and okay, I'll go to wireless again, choose WEP and put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. All right, and this should be geeking is fun. All right, I hope I have established a connection. Okay, let's try to send a message. It's quite strange because we have to, all right, successful, but it's quite strange because I have to manually put in the SSID. So at this point, I believe all the devices will be able to communicate with each other. All right, so this is how we should set up the wireless, all right, wireless environment in Cisco. So that's all. Thank you. Signing off, Kev from Gigging is Fun.